Water pollution. Causes, impacts, and the path forward. Water is one of Earth's most essential resources. It sustains ecosystems, supports human health, and shapes nearly every natural process on the planet. Yet despite its importance, water pollution has become a widespread environmental challenge, affecting rivers, lakes, groundwater, and oceans across the world. What is water pollution? Water pollution occurs when harmful substances enter bodies of water in quantities that disrupt their natural function or make them unsafe for use. These pollutants can be physical, chemical, or biological. They may come from obvious sources, such as a pipe discharging industrial waste, or from diffuse, harder-to-trace origins like agricultural runoff carried by rain. Because water is an excellent solvent, it easily dissolves and transports many materials. This property helps sustain life, but it also means pollutants can spread quickly and travel far from their original source. Major sources of water pollution. 1. Industrial waste. Factories may release chemicals, heavy metals, or heated water into nearby waterways. These substances can poison aquatic life, disrupt ecosystems, or reduce oxygen levels. 2. Agricultural runoff. Fertilizers, pesticides, and animal waste wash into streams and lakes during rainfall. Excess nutrients can trigger harmful algal blooms, which deplete oxygen and sometimes produce toxins. 3. Sewage and wastewater. In many regions, untreated or poorly treated wastewater flows directly into the environment. This introduces pathogens, pharmaceuticals, and organic waste that threaten both human and ecological health. 4. Urban runoff. Oil, trash, and chemicals accumulate on streets and are carried into storm drains during rainstorms. These pollutants eventually reach rivers and oceans. 5. Plastic and solid waste. Plastic debris, from microplastics to large discarded items, persists in the environment, harming wildlife and degrading water quality. Impacts on humans and ecosystems. Human health. Contaminated water can cause gastrointestinal illnesses, skin infections, and long-term exposure risks from chemicals. Polluted water used for drinking, cooking, or recreation poses significant dangers. Aquatic life. Fish, plants, and microorganisms depend on balanced water chemistry. Pollutants can suffocate species, disrupt reproduction, or introduce toxins that accumulate up the food chain. Ecosystem balance. When one part of an ecosystem is harmed, such as a plant species or a fish population, the effects ripple outward. Algal blooms, for example, can block sunlight, reduce oxygen, and kill large numbers of organisms. Why water pollution is increasing. Population growth, industrial expansion, and agricultural intensification have all contributed to rising pollution levels. In many developing regions, wastewater treatment infrastructure is limited, allowing most sewage to enter the environment untreated. Even in wealthier nations, aging systems and chemical contaminants pose ongoing challenges. Solutions and the path forward. Policy and regulation. Environmental laws and water quality standards help limit pollution. Effective enforcement can restore polluted waterways and protect drinking water sources. Improved wastewater treatment. Upgrading treatment plants and expanding access to sanitation reduces the flow of pathogens and chemicals into the environment. Sustainable agriculture. Practices such as precision fertilization, buffer zones, and reduced pesticide use can significantly cut nutrient runoff. Community and individual action. Reducing plastic use, properly disposing of chemicals, and supporting conservation efforts all contribute to cleaner water. Innovation and technology. New filtration systems, pollution-detecting sensors, and eco-friendly industrial processes offer promising tools for the future. Conclusion. Water pollution is a global issue, but it is not insurmountable. Because most pollution stems from human activity, human solutions, policy, technology, and collective responsibility can reverse the trend. Protecting water means protecting life itself, and the choices made today will shape the health of ecosystems and communities for generations.